Welcome to Make Money PNG YouTube channel. Before you go on, subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel. Today's video is about how to make money by selling your photographs or photos. 1. Develop your skills. Invest time in honing your photography skills. Learn about composition, lighting, and editing techniques. Continuous improvement in your craft is crucial for standing out in a competitive market. 2. Build a portfolio. Create a strong portfolio showcasing your best work. This will serve as a visual resume for potential clients or employers and demonstrate your capabilities. 3. Identify your niche. Specialize in a specific genre or niche of photography, such as portrait, wedding, event, stock, or commercial photography. Focusing on a niche can help you target a specific audience and stand out in that particular market. 4. Invest in quality equipment. While you don't need the most expensive gear to start, having good quality equipment is essential. Ensure you have a camera, lenses, and accessories that meet the requirements of your chosen photography niche. Before we continue, please help this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. 5. Create an online presence. Build a professional website and establish a presence on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Share your best work regularly to attract potential clients and collaborators. 6. Offer your services. Start offering your photography services to friends, family, and local businesses. Consider doing discounted or pro bono work initially to build your portfolio and gain experience. 7. Freelance photography. Join freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Shutterstock to find paid photography gigs. These platforms connect photographers with clients looking for specific services, such as photo editing, event coverage, or stock photography. 8. Sell prints or stock photos. Explore selling prints of your best photographs, either through your own website or platforms like Etsy. Alternatively, you can license your images as stock photos on websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. 9. Teach photography. Share your knowledge by offering photography workshops or online courses. This can be a lucrative way to monetize your expertise while helping others improve their skills. 10. Collaborate with brands and businesses. Reach out to local businesses, influencers, or brands for potential collaborations. Offer your photography services for product shoots, branding campaigns, or social media content creation. Remember that building a successful photography business takes time and persistence. It's essential to stay adaptable, continuously improve your skills, and be proactive in marketing yourself to potential clients. Help us grow this channel. Subscribe to this channel.